Hello there, this is Luca with Native Video. Today I'm excited to share with you that we've decided to align our mission at Native Video with the Sustainable Development Goals Initiative. So this is a framework set out by the United Nations Global Assembly. It was, back in 2015 when they set out they laid out these 17 goals, all interlinked with each other, to form a blueprint for a more sustainable future for all. At Native Video, we decided to align our initiatives with goal number 7, affordable and clean energy, and goal number 13, climate action. This for us translates into new ways in which we inform our decisions for product development, for positioning in the marketplace, and also how we interact with the business community, how we select our partners, how we reward our clients, how we reward and we give back in general to our business community. A practical example of that is that in recent weeks we've been talking to experts to help inform our roadmap and validate our assumptions for our new product in field service. To reward these experts, we've actually planted trees in their names. Reforestation is very much part of climate change action and definitely supports cleaner energy production. So this is one way in which we are planning to do and to give back to our business community, and in general, it will inform our initiatives going forward. It's my pleasure, and as I said, I'm excited to share this initiative and give visibility to the Sustainable Development Goals. Go and check them out. Find the link that I share in the comments below, and maybe lobby internally at your company to align with some of these goals if you're not doing it already. And now, let's get to work and let's all together build a better environment for everybody. Thank you.